guys, welcome to episode 3. We have packed up this morning at Warrnambool and we're on our way to the Great Ocean Road. So we're going to do all the stops along the Great Ocean Road and then head on to Ballarat tonight. So we will post lots of videos on that. We've just pulled up at the first stop, the Bay of Islands. The car park is packed. People everywhere. We've just pulled up at the grotto, so we'll go and have a look at that. There's lots of parks here, lots of long vehicle parks. Sun's screening up for the day.
It's windy and cold, but
sunny.
A funny feeling.
We've just pulled up at Lockhart Gorge. This one was really good for parking because there are people directing parking. So because we had a trailer, we got to come in here. There's this really cute little retro RV here.
I'm by no means a Volkswagen fan, but I do love gear like this that someone spent a long time restoring and making. It is so cool.
It's my first echidna sighting in the wild and I'm really happy about it. How long have I been waiting to see an echidna?
Oh, we've driven all over Australia just to find an echidna.
What does it say? Apparently this is Shipwreck Coast. I can see why. We've done lunch on the go today. We've got yogurt and muesli, plus our little snack box here. Very healthy. Okay, so we've pulled up at the 12 Apostles and it is crazy. Luckily, they had someone directing traffic again, so that was really good. We just wolfed down our lunch. We actually just walked from the 12 Apostles down to the Gibson Steps, about a half an hour return walk, but it does save finding a car park again in that little car park there. There's a little thing here that goes underneath the road. It's super busy today. A lot of wind noise.
They're the stairs we just came down.
I am stuffed.
It goes a long way up. Way too long for this sort of gear.
I don't know how I'm getting back up. Must be fresh water.
Bit salty.
Bit salty.
I think it is still.
Didn't
Have a lot of salt content.
think I'd see this down on the beach. On our way to Apollo Bay and the rest of the Great Ocean Road, it's really picturesque, lovely scenery, but really windy, so I'm sure plenty of kids would have been car sick on this road. We're just coming into Lawn. That was a pretty terrible drive. So basically from the 12 Apostles to here is like windy car sickness stuff. Very picturesque and pretty, but not nice to be a passenger in the car seat.
Well, how much ocean can you see, really? It's beautiful, but it's a lot of the same.
We're coming through at a really obviously busy time, being between Christmas and New Year. All the towns have been ridiculous. There's just people everywhere. It's taken ages to get through the towns because it's so busy, but they are really pretty little towns, so well worth coming to, but maybe not this time of year. What perspective?
No, you can't get a perspective of how many vans they're fitting in these caravan parks.
Every caravan park we've been past is chockers.
If you had
Awning
to get
to
out
awning.
here in a fire, it's not going to happen.
Last stop on the Great Ocean Road. This is the lighthouse. Don't come up into the car park if you've got a trailer or a camper or a caravan, because you will not be able to do a U-turn to get out. We had to reverse the whole way out and park down the road. The drive here has been pretty windy from probably the 12 Apostles to here, so can see a lot of kids getting car sick, but it's been really pretty, just really busy. So that's the end of the Great Ocean Road.
All done and dusted.
All done, had a great day, and now we're off to Ballarat to set up for a couple of nights there. See ya!
Bye.
Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more of our travels, and keep an eye out for the next episode on this trip.